What if I told you your body already has the tools to repair itself? What if blindness, paralysis, or diabetes weren't permanent anymore? Sounds wild, right? But here's the twist. In 2026, the foundation for that future is already inside you. They're called stem cells, and they're changing medicine forever. So what exactly are stem cells? Think of them as your body's blank slates. Most cells have one job. Skin is skin, muscle is muscle, and that's it. But stem cells? They come with two superpowers. First, self-renewal. They can copy themselves over and over. And second, differentiation. They can turn into almost any cell your body needs. In other words, they're your own personal repair crew standing by for emergencies. So where do these all-star cells come from? Three main places. First, adult stem cells from your own bone marrow or fat help patch up local damage. Second, perinatal stem cells, which come from umbilical cord blood after birth. These are even more flexible. And third, the latest game-changer-induced pluripotent stem cells, or iPSCs. Scientists can now take, say, skin cells, and with some lab wizardry, turn them back into powerful stem cells. No ethical debates required. Now, how do they actually work their magic? When you're hurt or sick, stem cells can go right to the problem spot and become the cells that need replacing. But here's the real twist. Scientists found stem cells don't just swap out broken parts. They're like a roaming pharmacy, releasing healing signals that calm inflammation and tell nearby cells to start fixing themselves. So, it's not just replacement, it's smart coordination. And the future, it's happening right now. In labs and clinical trials, doctors are already replacing damaged eye cells to restore vision. They're testing lab-grown insulin cells for type 1 diabetes, even 3D printing tissues, and mini-organs using stem cells as bioink. And those mini-organs, they're speeding up drug testing, making it safer for everyone. Look, stem cells won't solve every medical problem overnight, but they're unlocking doors we once thought were sealed shut. Thinking about stem cell treatments, make sure you stick with approved clinical trials and trusted experts. Now it's your turn. Which stem cell breakthrough excites you the most? Drop a comment below, hit like and subscribe, and join me for more science that's shaping our future. Catch you in the next one.